All right, we are here. Wish Schnitzel was going to come in. Yeah, Schnitzel. We do have a little package here. Schnitzel's just a customs cat. He's going to have a sniff in that. He smells something good in there. A little cat paw. We do have, as requested, we have a review of these chain links. These came from North Carolina. Alright, we'll put that in the recycling bin. Do you want to be in the shot in the frame? Alright. Declined. Alright, so this is quite an interesting one for you chainring geeks out there. This is quite interesting for me as well. It was dropped in. This is the Spreng ring. Alright, so suss this out. This is some quirky cycling kit. What will we think of it? We'll soon find out when we test it. So look, open it up. Wow, the packaging is pretty serious. I'm gonna get fit opening this packaging up. Alright, so I've got a lot of instructions in here. It looks like a lot of thinking has gone behind this product. Start with the spider. So I've got some, that smells like some industrial stuff on there. So that's an interesting chaining on that one. What cranks that will fit on, we'll find out. It's got some patent pendings on there. It's got some stamping on it. It sort of reminds me of like a 1990s Shimano Dior sort of setup. So we've got that. Got some instructions. I've got some chainring bolts here. So just true to stock chainring bolts. We have, not sure what that is. We have a chainring here as well. So we've got two chainrings. This chainring looks like a Shimano chainring. It's a Zephyr. Here's a Zephyr chainring. It's the 190, 110. I'm not sure why that was in the packet, but the creator of Spreng ring, we're going to get in some contact. We're going to get some directions. So we're going to try this little Spreng ring out. For me, it looks pretty pretty standard sort of chain ring, but apparently it does have an altered effect. So most of my first impressions of the Spreng ring, I can't tell any real differences. But if you've used a Spreng ring, let me know down below what you thought of them. Let me know what you thought of these chain rings. The Spreng ring. Right, so this is the first video of many. This is called the Spreng ring unboxing. And I think I've got it all here. I've got some instructions here. Feels like a high school. I feel like I'm in year 9 again with a high school project. So there's a few references here to Bradley Wiggins, Dombrowski. So it'll be interesting. This will be interesting. I'm curious. Spreng ring. Let me know down below if you have any opinion or thoughts on it. Do a bit of reading on it. Maybe if someone can link us down below in the comment section about the Spreng ring. Let's have a discussion. Let's talk about it. Spreng it up. Okay, so the deal behind the Spreng ring is that it's meant to improve pedaling technique, improve efficiency. Just reading off here, there's a bit of a review. Basically shortening the power stroke by a couple of teeth. It's basically created by Doug Brown Jr., who calls himself a chainring connoisseur. This is going to be interesting stuff. I'm very, very keen, very curious to try this out. Some people don't like it, some people do like it. I'm keen to try this out. Now, if I look closely at this, I can see the left part of the chainring over here is a lot different to the right here, where it's got more meat. So it is an overlies style of chainring. So this is designed to create a bit of a, you could call it over-ring, asymmetric, bypass, just a chainring created by someone who wasn't happy with the round style. So we're going to go for something different. And I'm going to test it out. I'm going to test this one out. So expect a review video very, very soon. The Spreng ring. That name, Spreng. Where did that spring from? Spreng ring. I like it. Sounds different. Sounds very German.